Hello, welcome to the Visual Workspace introduction. My name is Arden Thomas. Any questions, comments, or feedback, please send that to athomas@cincom.com. So today we're going to talk about the workspace. In general, in VisualWorks, you can write and execute code in many places. In the launcher, in the code editor, in the debugger. But a great place to do this is in the workspace, and I'll show you why. Well, I mentioned in the launcher you could actually write code. I can say array new 5. I can highlight that, right-click, inspect it, and I have an array that can hold 5 things right there. If I want to do something, however, like put that into a variable, let's try to do that. And it's going to say declare the temporary variable, which I would need to do first. And I can still do that and inspect the results. But the workspace is a better place to do that. For example, if I take this expression here, A gets array new 5, I'll put a period at the end and do it. Notice it didn't prompt me. The reason it didn't is because a workspace is configured to allow those variables to be created and stored right here in the workspace. And then you could come here and you could remove those variables. So it does some nice things for you. Other things that you can do, let's look at some of the options. You can save workspace. So if you've been working a while and you want to save it, you can save it as, let's see, my stuff.ws. I'll use WS as for workspace, and I can save that. Then anytime if I've saved a lot of testing work, expressions that I want to test something or try things out, or invoke applications or domain models that I have tests for, I can simply save those and bring those back up to make things very simple and easy. Like lots of tools, I can open up more tabs in this. For example, I can say new right here. Now I have another page 1, or I can do Control-N. Notice it told me that right here. I'll do Control-N and again. So I can open up multiple workspaces. I can also, let's go to this one and remove it. Now I can go back and open it back up. I'll double click on that and I've brought that back in, and notice it has the name right there. If I highlight my expression and right click, notice some of the things I have. I can cut, copy, paste, do it, inspect it, debug it, print it, and most frequently you'll use those things right up here. And if you don't know what they are, they have hover text. So do it, print it, inspect it, and debug it. There is another option. You do something that takes a little bit of time. If I highlight that and right click, there's a time it, or I can use Control-T also, and I can see essentially how long it takes to run that code snippet. Other things that are useful, if you're using this to write code, I like to turn on style as Smalltalk. Then you'll get some of the autocomplete capabilities. So if I wanted ordered collection, I can just go down, hit tab, ordered collection new, and I've got that. Stuff gets ordered collection new. I can do it, okay? Then I've got it. If I look at my variables, I've got stuff. I've got A from before. If I want to remove anything, I can do so like this. When I'm done working with this, I can save it again. Notice I can do that from here. The most frequently used thing, open, save. Let's see, right here. Add a new page. Open a page, save. Let's go back to this and save that. I can cut, paste, copy. So I can, again, we covered this before, do it, print it. So let's see if I, for example, even if I print the result of that one, that was inspect, and print is this, it shows me exactly what it is. and debug takes me into the debugger where I can step through doing something, walking into the code, for example, that I'm trying to understand or debug. So that's it. The workspace is a great place to put any comments. Notice when I did the quote, it put the things in. This is because this is for a string here. It puts pairs in, and this is because I have the stylus Smalltalk option turned on, which I recommend if you're writing code. So that is a quick introduction to the workspace. If you have any comments, suggestions, feedback, please send it to athomas@cincom.com. My name is Arden Thomas, and have a great time with Smalltalk. Thank you.